In this video, we are going to discuss about compound angles. This is a very important chapter in your 11th and 12th classes for maths and physics. So, please take down the notes for this topic. And without wasting any time, let us start the video. Hello everyone, how are studies going? Hope you are doing good. My name is B. Aditya and welcome to my channel. So, in the previous video of maths, we discussed about trigonometric ratios. In that lecture, we learned how to find values of theta for a single value like theta, A, B, etc. Like we learned how to find sin theta, sin A, sin B, sin C, like that. We learned to find the values only for a single term. But in compound angles, so compound means more than one. Okay, so here we will learn how to find the values for theta plus alpha, theta plus A plus B. So sin of theta plus alpha, cos of theta plus alpha, tan of theta plus alpha. So let us start. So trigonometry is all about learning the formulas. The better you learn, the better you practice, the better you score in exam. Okay, you don't need to memorize all those derivations. You just need to remember the formula and apply it in the exam. Okay, so we are not explaining the derivations because it will make the video lengthy. We have so many formulas to discuss about. So the first formula is sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, and sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Excuse me. So cos of A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin sin B. Okay, please take the note of this one, then we will move on to our next formulas. So tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B, and tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay, this is our next formula. Like sin 2A. So for A plus B, let us assume that A is equal to B. So sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Okay, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. You can also write this as 1 minus 2 sin square A, which is also equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, so sin 2A and cos 2A. You can write this in tan terms also. Okay, the next one is tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. This is 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. This is 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. So these are our next formulas. You may have a note of it, then we will move on to our next one. Next one is cot of A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A, and cot of A minus B is equal to cot A into cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Okay, so these are the basic formulas on compound angles. So I will tell some more formulas which will help you do the sums better. Okay, so these are some constant values which you can remember. They will help you, so please take a screenshot or make a note of it. So now we are going to see the graph of sine theta. So this is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay, so sine 0 is 0. Okay, so it goes up, and at sine 90 it is maximum. It is 1 at sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. Again it becomes 0. At pi it becomes 0. Here also it is 0. Now at 3 pi by 2 it gets down to its minimum value. And at 2 pi it becomes 0 again. So again it will be keep on going like this. Here minus 1 minimum value, and again it will be 0 here. So it will be like, okay, so please take a note of this. Then we will see the graph of cos theta. Now let us look at the graph of cos theta. So cos theta is maximum at 0. It is 1. Okay. At pi by 2 it becomes 0. Cos 0 is maximum. At pi by 2 it becomes 0. Okay. It goes down. At pi it is minimum. At 3 pi by 2 it is 0. And at 2 pi it is max again. Okay. So it will keep on going like this. It will start at maximum here, it will come down, and it will keep on going like that. So you may take a note of it. Then we will discuss the graph of tan theta. So the graph of tan theta will be a little bit weird. So it will be like, this is 0, let us assume. It will be like, so it will be like this. Okay, so this is our first question. Sine 40 degrees 25 minutes into cos 29 degrees 35 minutes plus cos 40 degrees 25 minutes plus sine 29 degrees 35 minutes. Try this sum, then I will explain it on board. Okay, I hope you have tried it. Now this is in the form of sine of a plus b. Sine a cos b plus cos a sin b, which is equal to sine of 40 degrees 25 minutes plus 29 degrees 35 minutes. So 60 degrees is 1 minute. I told you in the trigonometric ratios lecture. So 40 plus 29 is 59. 25 minutes plus 35 minutes is 1 degree. So it will be sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 upon 2. Okay, this is our first question. Okay, the second question I am showing it on your screen. I am not writing it because it will not be as much as clear. So now please take a note of the second sum, then I will explain it on board. So here the given question is tan a plus b equal to p and tan a minus b equal to q, then the value of cot 2b he is asking. Okay, I hope you have tried it. Now second one early, then tan of 2b we can write it as tan of a plus b minus of a minus b. Then it will become a plus b minus a plus b. Then a and minus a will get cancelled, and it will be tan 2b. So tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b, which is equal to p minus q upon 1 plus pq. Okay, so this is our answer. You may take a note of it. Okay, so he asked cot 2ab. so you can to cot 2b, so you can reverse this one, 1 plus p cube upon p minus q. Okay, so the next question I am showing it on your screen. So the given question is cos of alpha plus beta and sin of alpha minus beta values is given. So we need to convert it into a triangle and simplify. Okay, so I hope you have noted it down. Now I am going to explain the sum on the board. So the given data is tan 2 alpha, I hope you have tried it. We can write it as tan of alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. So now if we find the values of tan alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta, we can find the value of tan 2 alpha. So now this one, this is alpha plus beta. Now cos is 4 by 5, so it will be 3, and tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 4. This if I write here, alpha minus beta 5, 13. So this is also a Pythagorean triplet, it will become 12. So tan of alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 12. Now if we substitute here, this is tan of alpha plus beta plus tan of alpha minus beta upon 1 minus tan of alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. Okay, I hope you have noted this. I am going to simplify it here. Okay, so tan of alpha plus beta value was 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. If we take LCM here, it will be 14 by 12 upon, okay, so 1 to 3 9 plus 1, 48 minus 15 upon 4 into 12. So 12 and 12 get cancelled, is equal to 14 into 4 upon 48 minus 15 is 48, 43, 33. So this is 56 upon 33. Okay, so this is the answer for this one. Okay, the next question I am showing it on board. Okay, so these are two questions. I have given the values of tan 75, cot 75, cosecant 15 and secant 15. So we need to directly plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3. Minus of 2 minus root 3. So 2 get cancelled. 2 root 3. Secant 15 degrees plus secant 15 degrees, which is equal to 1 by sin 15 degrees plus 1 by cos 15 degrees. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 upon root 3 minus 1 plus 2 root 2 upon root 3 plus 1, which is equal to 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1 upon, so a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So this will be root 3 whole square minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, which will be 2. So if we take 2 root 2 common here, it will be root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1, 1 get cancelled, 2 root 3 upon 2. So 2 we can cancel here, it will be 2 root 6. So that is it for the lecture, guys. I know it is a short lecture, but we have tried to cover the whole concept of compound angles in here.